In this video, I'm going to explain and show you how to create job departments in Rhino software and why you might want to do that. So I'm going to drill down here in Company Administration. I'll click on that on the left-hand side over here. It opens up the accordion menu, and then I'm going to click on Job Departments. Now when I do, I've already created a couple job departments in here for examples. Okay, so I'm going to open up here. You'll see that I created a service department and a construction department. Okay, now I labeled these departments 100 and 200. Let's say that I want to add a low voltage department also. And again, I'm going to show you the purpose of this and where it's used. In fact, let me just kind of explain it right now. Job departments are set up so that they can be used when a new job is created. Okay, and when creating a new job, users can have the option to select the job department. Based on the job department selected, the job will be assigned a unique number. And that's where these numbers come in here. Okay, so I'll explain more about that, but let me get into it here. I'm going to click the new button here. Now, I use the numbers 100, that's department 100 is service and 200 is construction. I'm going to create a low voltage department, which is going to be department 300. So I'm going to click the new button. And I'm going to fill in here, again, I'm going to make department low voltage, it's 300. Job description is low voltage. Now, when you do this, let me see if I can type and talk at the same time. There we go. I think I spelled that right. Almost right. There we go. So as you do this, you can you might want to name your department something different, okay? And then it says the next job number. I'm going to make that also 300. When somebody creates new jobs, then the first job number will be 300. After that, 301, 302, etc. Now let me explain the rest of this real quick. I just want you to understand if you need help with this, you can simply just click the help button. It'll open up help and it'll explain it to you right there. Okay. I'm going to close the help window now. Now, something else I want to explain. I'm going to keep this simple. It is quite complex, but if you look at it, you'll see through this. So here's the whole deal. When you create jobs in Rhino, again, it lets you select the department code, okay? And when you select the low voltage department here, you would, let me say it this way. In order to send emails out, in other words, to different departments, if you want to, you can type in their email addresses here. And here's what I mean. I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to type in a few email addresses and explain just the basics of this to you. Okay, now I just filled in two things here. You'll want to look through these and see who you want notified and fill in their email addresses. Okay, so an example is let's say in my company, when a low voltage department job is selected or created, I would like my accounting department to do a credit check. Okay, so I type the email address of my accounting department here. Down here, I put in the subject line of that email and a message to the people in accounting. And it says, please check credit for a new job. Now again, the things that you can notify your departments of are the items listed here. Credit check, certified payroll, market recovery, that's a union term. If you're a union contractor, sometimes you get market recovery jobs, you'll want to notify your accounting department. Same with prevailing wage. If you are doing a prevailing wage job, then your accounting department surely wants to know that so they can set up payroll accordingly. Okay, so that's all I want to show of that. And then when I save it, I'm just going to go ahead and save it here. Okay, and then now we see where we've saved it, and I have another job department code here, job department set up. Now I'm going to just drill ahead or move ahead here and create a job and show you where this is applicable. Okay, now you'll see where I've just moved forward to create a job, and one of the items in the menu is to select a department code. Now I click the drop down here, and I select the department, and when I do and I finish creating this job, then as I described, it will send the notifications to whatever department that I created the job for. Okay, hope this helps. The reason that you'd want to do this again is moving forward, if you have different departments in your company, you'll want to set up jobs, or I should say categories or department codes for those departments. And then if you want people notified, then you'll also create the notification like I showed you. Okay, that's it for this video.